my fellow graduates, good morning. Today is not just the end of grade 6. It is the beginning of our biggest adventure yet. Like Moana, standing at the shore, looking out into the vast ocean. We are standing at the edge of something new. The journey ahead is exciting, but if we are being honest, it is also a little scary. Moana's story is a lot like ours. At times, she doubted herself, just like we did, when we faced tough lessons, challenging exams, and moments when we felt like giving up. But Moana had something special. She had to our parents. Thank you for believing in us, just like Moana's parents. Because of your love, we are ready to set sail, carrying your strength wherever we go. To our dear teachers, thank you for being our wayfinders, guiding and loving us. Because of you, we are ready to set sail with confidence. To my fellow graduates, like Maui, we doubted ourselves, and like Hailey, we had lost moments. But no matter how busy or tough things get, let's remember to enjoy. As the song says, we are explorers, reading every sign. With knowledge, strength, and heart, we are ready to navigate high school and beyond. The world is waiting for us. Congratulations, class of 2024-2025. Let's go beyond!